ഹലോ ഫ്രണ്ട്സ്, ഫാർമസിസ്റ്റ് ഗ്രേഡ് 2 എന്ന യൂട്യൂബ് ചാനലിൻ്റെ മറ്റൊരു എപ്പിസോഡിലേക്ക് ഏവർക്കും സ്വാഗതം. ഇന്ന് നമുക്ക് ഫാർമസ്യൂട്ടിക്സിൽ നിന്നുള്ള കുറച്ച് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ ആൻസേഴ്സ് നോക്കാം. എക്സാമിന് വന്നിട്ടുള്ളതും വരാൻ ചാൻസ് ഉള്ളതുമായിട്ടുള്ള ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ ആൻസേഴ്സാണ് എടുത്തിട്ടുള്ളത്. അതിൽ ഫസ്റ്റ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് സിമ്പിൾ സിറപ്പ് IP contains dash of sugar. Simple syrup IP contains dash of sugar. Here the correct answer 66.7% weight by weight of sugar. Second question, dash is used as a suspending agent in calamine lotion IP. Question again, dash is used as a suspending agent in calamine lotion IP. Here the correct answer bentonite. Third question, the compound effervescent powder is also called as dash powders. Compound effervescent powder is also called as dash powders. Here the correct answer seedless powder. Fourth question, the spirits are alcoholic solution of dash. Question again, spirit are alcoholic solution of dash. Here the correct answer spirit are alcoholic solution of volatile principles. Fifth question, concentrated aromatic water is dash times stronger than simple aromatic water. Question again, concentrated aromatic water is dash times stronger than simple aromatic water. Here the correct answer 40 times stronger than simple aromatic water. Sixth question, calcium soap forms dash type of emulsion. Here the correct answer calcium soap forms water in oil type emulsion. Seventh question, single dose eye ointments are packed in dash capsules. Here the correct answer single dose eye ointments are packed in soft gelatin capsules. Eighth question, dash suspension form hard cake at bottom on storage. Here the correct answer deflocculated suspension forms hard cake at bottom on storage. Ninth question, elixir is similar to syrup in composition, but in addition it also contains dash. Here the correct answer, the elixir is similar to syrup in composition, but in addition it also contains alcohol. 10th question, talc is used in the preparation of aromatic water as dash. Here the correct answer, talc is used in preparation of aromatic water as distributing agent. 11th question, ampules and vials are made up of dash. Here the correct answer, ampules and vials are made up of neutral glass. 12th question, the isotonicity is to be adjusted in dash preparations. Here the correct answer, the isotonicity is to be adjusted in eye preparations and injections. 13th question, the solvent used in throat paint is usually dash. Here the correct answer, the solvent used in throat paint is usually glycerin. 14th question, the eye ointment differ from skin ointment in that they are dash. Here the correct answer, the eye ointment differ from skin ointment in that they are sterile. 15th question, cold cream is an example of dash type of emulsion. Here the correct answer, cold cream is an example of water in oil type emulsion. 16th question, dash solution of glucose is isotonic with blood. Here the correct answer, 5% weight by volume solution of glucose is isotonic with blood. Question number 17, an ideal suppository base is expected to melt at dash. Here the correct answer, the ideal suppository base is expected to melt at 37 degrees Celsius. Question number 18, menthol and camphor form liquefiable substances which are called dash. Here the correct answer. Menthol and camphor forms liquefiable substances which are called eutectic mixture. Question number 19. The Young's formula is applicable for calculating the dose of medicaments for children having the age between dash years. Here the correct answer 1 to 11 years. Question number 20. Oil in water immersion is meant for dash use. Here the correct answer. Oil in water immersion is meant for internal use. Question number 21. Draught means a mixture containing a dash. Here the correct answer. Draught means a mixture containing single dose. Question number 22. An ideal ointment base should have a dash pH. Here the correct answer. An ideal ointment base should have a neutral pH. Question number 23. Dash ounces make a pint. Here the correct answer. 20 ounces make a pint. Question number 24. The rate of sedimentation of flocculated suspension is dash. Here the correct answer. The rate of sedimentation of flocculated suspension is high. Question number 25. Wolfat produces dash type of emulsion. Here the correct answer. Wolfat produces water in oil type of emulsion. Question number 26. Administration of drug with opposite action is dash type of incompatibility. Here the correct answer. Administration of drug with the opposite action is therapeutic type incompatibility. Question number 27. The eye drops should be dash with the lacrimal secretion. Here the correct answer. Eye drop should be isotonic with the lacrimal secretion. Question number 28. Pyrogens are metabolites of dash. Here the correct answer. Pyrogens are metabolites of microorganisms. Question number 29. 60 grains equivalent to dash drum. Here the correct answer. 60 grains equivalent to 1 drum. Question number 30. The study of dose of drug is known as dash. Here the correct answer. The study of doses of the drug is known as posology. Question number 31. An example for suspending agent is dash. Here the correct answer. The examples for suspending agent is tragacanth. Question number 32. Dash is used as sweetening agent in artificial syrup. Here the correct answer. Sorbitol is used as sweetening agent in artificial syrup. Question number 33. Natural sweetening agent is dash. Here the answer. Natural sweetening agent is honey and licorice. Question number 34. Emulsifying agent in cold cream is dash. Here the correct answer. Emulsifying agent in cold cream is borax or beeswax. Question number 35. 1 grain is equivalent to dash mg. Here the correct answer. The 1 grain is equivalent to 64.799 milligram. 36. Ratio of oil, water and gum in fixed oil emulsion is dash. Here the correct answer. Ratio of oil, water and gum in fixed oil emulsion is 4:2:1. Question number 37. Natural emulsion is dash. Here the correct answer. Natural emulsion is milk. Question number 38. Non-staining iodine ointment is used as dash. Here the correct answer. Non-staining iodine ointment is used as counter irritant. Question number 39. Eye lotions are issued at dash strength. Here the correct answer. Eye lotions are issued at double strength. Question number 40. Double wrapping system is suitable for dash substances. Here the correct answer. Double wrapping system is suitable for hygroscopic and volatile substances. Thank you.